morning children. How are you? In last class we learned about continents and oceans. Today we learn next topic. Do you remember that class? Shall I ask questions from that topic? Okay. How many continents are there? 7 continents. Okay, very good. How many oceans are there? 5 oceans. Okay, which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Very good. Do you know what is our country? India is our country. Okay, very good. India is our country. We live in our country. We all are Indians. We all are Indians. Today we discuss about our country India. Okay. What is the lesson name? Our country India. We all are Indians. We live in our country. India is the part of the Asian continent. Where is India located? India is the part of the Asian continent. Continents are divided into countries. Countries are divided into states. States are divided into districts. Districts are divided into villages and towns. Okay. In India, 29 states and 7 union territories. In India, 29 states and 7 union territories are there. 29 states and 7 union territories. Do you know what is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. Which is our state? Andhra Pradesh is our state. Do you know what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amravati is the capital of our Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now, in all 29 states, Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Rajasthan is the smallest state and Goa is the smallest state in all 29 states. What is our country? India is our country. How many states and union territories are there? 29 states and 7 union territories are there. What is the capital of India? Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the largest which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Which is the smallest state in India? Goa is the smallest state in India. Now, our India map. What is this? It is a India map. Do you know directions? How many directions are there? 4 directions. What are there? North, south and east. North, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. It is north, south, east and west. It is an Indian map. It is north, it is south, it is east and it is west. Now, let us know about what are the boundaries of our country. On the north side, where is north side? It is upper side of the map, always shows north side. Bottom side of the map, it is south. East side, right side is east, left side is west. Now, on the north side of India, Himalaya mountains are there. On the north side of India, Himalaya mountains mountains are there. On the south side, Indian Ocean is there. On the south side, Indian Ocean. On the east side, we can see Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. What are the boundaries of our country? On the north side, Himalaya mountain ranges are there. After that, south side, Indian Ocean. East side, Bay of Bengal. West side, Arabian Sea. These are the boundaries of our country. Now we see states. On the north side, topmost of the north, we can see Jammu and Kashmir. It is the first north side of the state. On the south side, Tamil Nadu. On the east side, first state is Arunachal Pradesh. On the west side, first state is Gujarat. These are the first states of the edges. These are first states of the edges of the India map. On the north side, Himalaya mountains. On the north side, Jammu and Kashmir. On the south side, Tamil Nadu. On the east, first state is Arunachal Pradesh. On the west, first state is Gujarat. Middle of the country, Madhya Pradesh is there. What is the middle of our state? What is the middle of the country? What is the middle of the country? Which state is located in the middle of the country? Madhya Pradesh is the middle of the country. Okay? Now, boundaries of India. On the north side, Himalaya mountains. Himalayas. On the south side, Indian Ocean. On the east side, Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. These are our boundaries of our country. On the north side, Himalayas. On the south side, Indian Ocean. On the east side, Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. Where are the Himalaya mountains located in our country? North side of our India, we can see Himalaya mountains are there. On the south side, we can see Indian Ocean. On the east side, Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. These are our boundaries. How many boundaries are there? What are the boundaries? What are the boundaries of our country? Himalaya mountains, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea. Okay? Now once again, we will see what are the boundaries of India. On the north side, Himalaya mountains. On the south side, Indian Ocean. On the east side, Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. On the north side, Himalaya mountains. On the south side, Indian Ocean. On the east side, Bay of Bengal. On the west side, Arabian Sea. Here we observe three sides covered with water. Which sides covered with water? South side, east side, and west side covered with water. Land surrounded by water on three sides that is called a peninsula. Land surrounded by water. It is a water. Land surrounded by water on three sides, that is called a peninsula. What is a peninsula? Land surrounded by water on three sides, it is called a peninsula. Why? Because our southern country is called a peninsula. Our southern country is called as a peninsula. Okay? Now, let us know about physical features of the country. India is divided into 5 physical regions. India is divided into 5 physical regions. There are Himalayan range, second one Northern Plains, third one Deccan Plateau, fourth one Indian Desert, Now, let us know about physical features of our country. India is divided into 5 physical regions. India is divided into 5 physical regions. There are Himalayan range, first one Himalayan range, Northern Plains, Deccan Plateau, Indian Desert, and coastal plains and islands. Now, first we will see Himalayan range. Where are Himalayan range located in India map? Here it is a India map. On the north side, we can see Himalaya mountains. Himalaya mountains are extend from north side to northeastern side, from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. From Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It is called Himalayan range. It is the Himalayan range. Below the Himalayan range, we can see northern plains. Why? Because these are northern side of India. That's why these are called northern plains. And we go to center. It is south side of India. In between the center of India, it is Deccan Plateau. Here we can see Deccan Plateau. And then here coastal plains. On the east side, coastal plains are divided into two. On the east side, eastern coastal plains, and west side, western coastal plains. And then islands. India have islands also. These are islands, group of islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and here west side of India, Lakshadweep Islands. East side, Andaman Nicobar Islands, and west side Lakshadweep Islands. These are the physical features of our country. How many physical features our country? 5 physical features in our country. What are they? There are Himalayan range. There are Himalayan range. Second one, Northern Plains. And third one, Deccan Plateau. And then Indian Desert or Thar Desert. Indian Desert or Thar Desert. And coastal plains and islands. Here, Himalaya mountains ranges there. Himalaya means above the snow. What is the meaning of Himalaya? Himalaya means above the snow. These mountains are always covered with ice throughout the year. And then Northern Plains. Northern Plains we live in. And then Northern Plains we live in plains. Plains are very fertile lands. That's why so many crops grow very well in plains. Rivers flow in plains only. That's why thickly populated live in plains. Okay. After that, here plateau region. Plateaus are high, more than about of the plains. And then here desert. India has only one desert, that is called Thar Desert. That's why it is called as Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert is called as the Great Indian Desert. It is situated in northwest side. It is in Rajasthan. Which is the largest state? Rajasthan. In Thar Desert is located Rajasthan. Okay, after that, islands. Here east side we can see Andaman Nicobar Islands. Here west side we can see Lakshadweep Islands. Today what we will discuss our country India. India is our country. We all are Indians. India has 29 states and 7 union territories are there. Delhi is the capital city of our country. Our state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh capital is Amaravati. Largest state is Rajasthan. Smallest state is Goa. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. What is the capital of Goa? Panaji is the capital of Goa. Okay. And then we learned boundaries of our country. What are the boundaries of our country? On the north side we can see Himalaya mountains. On the south side we can see Indian Ocean. On the east side we can see Bay of Bengal. On the west side we can see Arabian Sea. After that we learned physical features of our India. India is divided into 5 physical regions. There are Himalayan range, Northern Plains, Peninsula Plateau or Deccan Plateau, Indian Desert and coastal plains and islands. Do you understand this lesson? Now I will give you homework to you. All of you learn these 5 physical regions in India. What are the 5 physical regions in India? We learn very well and write in your books. Thank you, children.